Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, a lot of us are doing curbside deals this week because of the weather, and the curbside deals are here to really deliver. This is until December the 20th. You're putting these orders in through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. So in the app, you're hitting the box with the green check. If it is grayed out, probably your store is out of these items, but the sooner in the week that you do it, the sooner in the week that your order gets fulfilled, and you have up to 3 days to pick up your order before it gets canceled. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards, and that is more your speed, those paper coupons that print out of the machine. Yesterday's video, I have a bunch of different deals. Check it out. I'll link it at the very end. I know that razor deal, that coupon, the $5 ones were expiring, I think today the 15th. So do that deal ASAP. And yesterday I was able to stack a digital and paper booster. You can only do that in store. Look at below, $17.40 on a $40 basket. I mean, that's completely what it's about. A lot of us are trying to have that saving money, Price is Right moment, and I certainly achieved that yesterday. So you might want to check out yesterday's video for a bit of inspiration. And also, we have various codes that you can only do curbside: 15% off of a $40 basket with gift 15, or 20 off of a 50 with gift 20. And then if you're buying a lot of food or specifically certain types of cleaner, you can use hosting 25 for 25% off of a $35 basket. And they're trying to do this in concert with the holidays. Now, a lot of food is also in certain markets, not exactly 50% off, but getting close to that. So you might want to just type into the app frozen food clearance and see what populates if you want to grab some of this stuff. I think a lot of TGI Fridays specifically, I don't know if they're not going to be carrying it anymore, but that's what I was seeing in my region. Let's start with deal number one. For this one, you're going to need this booster, and I think the majority of us got it, the 10 back when you spend 40. You would find it at the top of your digital coupons folder, but it's published in like most of the flyers, this promotion, so I think the majority of us have it. So for this first basket, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these NEUTROGENA wipes for $5.99 with the 4 off 2 digital coupon. I'm not going to show you every single coupon because it'll make the video too long, but you just load the coupon right below the product. I know some of these were on recall as well, so you might want to double, triple check what you're buying before you buy it. The promotion for this is that when you buy 2, you get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Plus, you get the 4 off 2 coupon, so it makes it like 49 cents per bag, and completely a fantastic stocking stuffer for that price point, in my humble opinion. The next item we're grabbing is 2 of the Axe body washes. Sorry, it only says 1, but I actually tossed 2 different scents into the basket. $5.99, buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. And then we're also throwing in 2 of these L'Oreal collagens, and we have a 12 off 2. That 12 off 2 is no longer available to load. But if you didn't do this possibly last week, you can do it this week if you want to do it. So just to show you guys the little chorus line, gift 15 is applied. The 12 off 2 along with the 5 and the 4. So that's an extra $9 in coupons melting off. So the overall total for this is $44.94. And subtracting $360, we are still at $41.34 for the spend 40 to earn back 10, so we still achieved that. Free curbside pickup tax, $21 in digitals melting off. So you're going to pay $22.82 with the tax and get back 17. 10 for the booster and 7 for Neutrogena. It makes this deal really, really cheap and great items to stock up for. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 2. Again, we're going to need our best friend, which is the 10 back when you spend 40. And you can use this more than one time as well for those that are like, I used it last week. No, you can use it more than once. On one card, I've used it now 3 times. So yeah, it is quite the Christmas gift, I think. We're also going to need these best friends loaded for this deal that include a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products and a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G dental care. So the first item we're going to throw in is this CREST 3D Holiday Smile Teething Whitening Box for $19.99. So toss 2 of them into your cart for $39.98. Plus we have a 10 off a 2 digital coupon. And both of these products are qualifying with the spend 45 to earn back whatever, 10 or whatever. And then 3 of these toothbrushes for $10.50, and then we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Alternatively, you could load the 4 off too, and I think there's another dollar coupon that you could throw in, but this is more direct. And then just to show you guys, 5, 3, and 10 melting off. I tried to use that fancier 20% off of a 50. It would not attach. So I'm thinking those holiday strips are not part of this week's, like you can't use that promotion with it. So the total here is $50.48. Subtracting 3, we're at $47.48 for the spend 40 to earn back 10, and then the dental care promotion as well. You're still there for spending 45. $15 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $35.33, and you're getting back $30 in Walgreens cash. Which is like super fantastic. Anyway, you slice this pie. It could be some stocking stuffers, especially that holiday kit if you wanted to gift it. I think it's fantastic. The next deal we're looking at is deal number 3. Again, you need your friend, the 10 back when you spend 40 for this transaction. Now, I know a lot of you want to do a little Merry Christmas to you, or you're really into skincare, or the weather is so frightful you might need this. So we're going to throw in 2 different variations of the Olay Super Serum. The one for $19.99, which is the smaller one, and there's a $3 digital attaching to this product, so just load it. And then the larger one that is $34.99, and we have a 10 off of 1 that is attaching, so load this little friend for maximum savings. Just to show you guys, Gift 20 is in fact working with this, so $8.40 being shaved off, $10 for that larger Olay Super Serum, and the baby one another $3 off, so that's $13 off with manufacturers, and our coupon code for a lot. The overall total for this is $54.98, subtracting $8.40. We are still at $46.58 for the spend 40 to earn back 10. $13 in manufacturers and my tax. I'm going to pay $36.37 with my debit card. I'm getting back 10. When you are at the store, ask the cashier to process this through a regular register, because IBOTTA is going to give you back an additional $11 with these 2 rebates. So you need a receipt. If you can't land the plane on asking for a receipt, or if the store just wants to give you trouble, obviously this isn't a deal for you. But if you can moonwalk into your store and get a receipt and get this deal going for you, that's $11 back from IBOTTA. I think it makes both of these super serums about $6-ish. Merry Christmas to you, or buy one and give one. Skincare is such a nice gift. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and we're going to be grabbing one of these stainless steel mugs, and they're really cute, and they're 14 ounce, so you could put a lot of stuff in there if you wanted to gift it with some beautiful cellophane. It's $3.24 from $12.99. I don't know what is going on, but I think a lot of this Christmas stuff, people don't have money for these extras, so that's why it's flying out the door for this price. And then 3 bags of these Doritos for $3 a pop, which is a really good price point. It's the 9-ounce bags, and I know a lot of us really like the chips. Who doesn't, right? So just to show you guys, yes, you can use the code WAG10 to save a little bit of extra money, 32 cents, but I guess it's better than nothing. And I did look at a couple of the different pop deals. Unfortunately, none of the coupon codes are working with the soda, because there's a lot of promotions for soda. Do it in store, a lot easier than doing it curbside, and you get to pick out exactly what you want. The overall total for the 3 bags of Doritos and that fancy cup is $12.25, 32 cents with WAG 10. So the total is $12.11. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.11. What a little deal. I would look for Christmas clearance. Type that in if you want to start creating a basket, maybe $10 or $20, and then use some Walgreens cash. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. And yesterday's video is linked right here. Go watch it and give it some love. Bye, guys.